30-day free trial of ClickFunnel instead of 14 days. So hey everyone, this is Nilesh, and as I mentioned lots of time, like ClickFunnel announced 30-day free trial for December month, and it is only available for 31st January 2022. So you can grab this particular opportunity, this best opportunity for yourself, and uh, with that you are getting 30-day free ClickFunnel access, and inside ClickFunnel you are going to attend so many things. So I'll share with you my screen as well, and yeah, you if you join this with my ClickFunnel with my link, I have a lots of bonuses for you as well. So this is my link. I'll put the link in the comment section as well. So this is the ClickFunnel dashboard. This is the ClickFunnel dashboard, and here you see this is not only help you to generate leads and help you to build funnel. This is help you exactly to so many things. Like here you get funnel flicks trainings, and in this training area you are getting the mindset training, the business training, the personal development training, like Tony Robbins training. This if you really access this training, my screen is different screen is open. So but if you see, this is the Tony Robbins private collection, and if you really open this training, it is worth of lots of money, and you are going to get for free. And with that you are going to learn business strategies. Here is another things, that money mindset, how it works, traffic skills. So you are not only able to get the how you can build funnels and all, you are also going to get the free trainings that exactly help you to in your business, in your framework, that give you the framework, that give you the knowledge. So building a funnel is a great thing, but how you can get traffic, how you can achieve success, because we are a human, and we are demotivated very easily, we feel negative in lots of time. So here you are getting the trainings of success path. The trainings of Tony Robbins training is a like life changing training, that I attend the 4 hour training of Tony Robbins in this ClickFunnel members area. This is 4 hour training is worth of thousands of dollars. Like you, not only thousand, like it is more than that, and you are going to get this training for free. Like I'll try to open this screen as well. So uh, let me check if whether yeah. So this is not only just like you are just enter into the click funnel, and you just build a funnel. Yes, funnel building, lead generation, and so many things, it is really helpful for. But the main thing is you are going to get access of all these trainings, all the training that is exactly teach you the framework, the online marketing, how this work, what kind of mindset you need to grow in your business, what kind of things that is required. Log in with ClickFunnels. I'll try to log in the inside the funnel fix, so you are going to get see like what is exactly the trainings that you are going to achieve. So let me share with you again my screen. Okay, so yeah, here's the funnel fix, and the screen is loading. So just a minute, but yeah, this is the dashboard area where you are getting access of all the trainings, all the lots of trainings you are going to get access when you started with the 30-day free trial. The Tony Robbins training is really life changing. I literally watched this particular training. I have not watched this for lots of time. I just watch it for one time, but this one time, this is mind blowing stuff. So it is uh, very lengthy stuff here, so might be taking time to loading this thing. And yeah, so you are going to get access of all this training for this 30-day free trial. Inside the 30-day free trial, you don't have to pay anything, you are just getting it for free. And once you are able to access all these trainings for free, like if you see, this is the that here you like you can see like high ticket, there is lots of things that is available for you when you are getting access started with the 30-day trial plan. With the 30-day trial plan, so this is the thing. Here you see like crazy stuff you have when you started with the 30-day plan of ClickFunnels. And this 30 days only available till 31st January 2022. So you have only 13 days to get access for 30 days ClickFunnel plan. And then again they shift to 14 days trial plan. So you are going to miss this chance, you are going to lose the opportunity. And as I mentioned lots of time in my previous video, be an opportunity grabber, not an opportunity loser. So be an opportunity grabber and get the access of this 30-day ClickFunnels trial plan, and learn the tool, how the tool is work, and get lead for your business. Learn the tools process of funnels, and also learn the trainings that how exactly you are going to scale your business, what kind of mindset you need, and so many stuff. And literally the Tony Robbins event, 4 hours training, it's mind blowing. So I'll highly recommend you if you really wanted to start with the ClickFunnel. This is the best time. Here's the link. Here's the link for 30 days. And yeah, if you going to upgrade it in future, I have lots of bonuses for you. So here's I post this particular bonus post in the comment section. You can go and check that out. So that's it. So yeah, this is the 30-day link. Start with this 30-day trial plan and let's grow together. So till then, Nilesh signing off. Bye. A great rest of the day. And yeah, if you're with me on live potestic live, with me on replay potestic replay, is the link. Guys, this is the link that exactly teach you, help you how you can grow in your business, in your life, in your journey, and life changing opportunity for you. If this ClickFunnel changed my life, then definitely it help you to change your life. So that's it. Till then, Nilesh signing off. Bye. Have a great rest of the day, night, morning, evening. Thank you, Bandana, for hopping on live. Yeah, here's the 30-day link. I'll put the link in the comment section. Go and check it out. Bye bye. If you have any